Welcome on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys today, man. Today we're gonna be reacting and watching, trying to guess ourselves. It's called Who Will Find the Real Drug Dealer. This video is brought to you by Jubilee. So basically, you know, it's a bunch of different type of videos where people are trying to guess a certain objective, right? So basically, I'm just giving you an example, like who's the cheater out of this group and stuff like that. So they're pretty entertaining, pretty fun. So I'm just gonna watch along and try to figure it out myself. So we're gonna see who the drug dealer is today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, comment. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, man. We drop videos every day. We're just gonna get right into it, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Rules. This is cops versus drug dealers. So the game, teams have 15 minutes each to take turns asking questions to the group. A team can make their final guess and end their turn at any point. Okay. So first up, it's cops. Okay. Let's go with that. See how they go.
All right, first of all, everybody with pants, I'm gonna need to see how high your socks are. Because they say the higher the socks, the downer the person is. So.
What? The higher the socks, the downer the person. Alright, let me just by looking at it, I just want to guess. Okay. I'm gonna go with contestant 6. I'm gonna go with the 2. Do I call out the black guy here? I think 5 is a cop. I don't know why. I'm gonna go with 2, 6, and 3 for now. Okay.
All right, we got the ankles on deck. Now, these are pretty high.
That's a weird ass
I got a
question.
question for number 3. How many grams in an ounce?
She could just lie. He can just lie.
You answered that quick. How many grams in a pound?
So how many grams in a pound? Well, ain't that good.
Who's been arrested before?
If you're thinking about using Asana, you can easily sign up and start using it. It's that intuitive.
At Mark's, when winter becomes a dance floor, we help you walk confidently with our exclusive line of anti-slip boots with Ice Effects technology. Only at Mark's.
What have you all been arrested for?
Smuggling narcotics through an airplane.
Okay.
Standing on the corner,
He's a liar.
slanging that thing.
Now I'm starting to second guess my choice with number 3 there. Like standing on the corner slanging that thing. That sounds too like obvious.
Drug possession.
Personal possession. Selling.
I got arrested.
I said 6, 2, and 3.
Okay. All right, group. Green, black, or white?
Green.
What?
Black.
Let's talk about the colors.
We knew there was gonna be someone who didn't know what that meant.
If you're about that life, you know what it meant, so.
Right away.
What's green?
Weed.
Flag of Mexico. The flag of Mexico.
Alright, man. Shut the fuck up. A man said, what's black power?
What's white?
What's white? That's a neutral color right there.
What's black?
Tar heroin.
What's green?
Weed.
What's white?
Cocaine.
Huh?
What?
The man.
Bro, nah, this guy did not just say that.
Elimination at this time.
Each team will try to find the real deal by eliminating the.
Alright, man. Let's just look at it here. I'm still going with 6, 3, and 2, man. 4 could be a 2, you know. 5, I feel like he's too, like, he looks the part too much, like, and he's 2Ds. That doesn't look like what you would see as prison Ds, you know what I mean? He looked like he got a steady job. You know, cops that go into the gym and work out every day and shit like that. He don't look like a drug dealer to me.
Imposters. If both
probably
teams
undercover.
eliminate the same person, they will be removed from the game.
Who do you want to go with? I say.
Really?
Well, we eliminated number 5.
Because he was a model.
I've never really seen a pretty drug dealer before, so.
He had that.
Yeah, I don't think he's a drug dealer, like I said.
For the whole group, I want to go around in order and see how much money has everybody made last year.
I made $350,000.
Doing what?
Is documented or undocumented money?
She trying to.
Say that on camera. It could be undocumented.
Yeah, it could be both.
Probably like 250K.
Between 150, 200,000.
I'm a dependent, small time, 3,500.
I made about
What?
150K the last time, but it's been a few years for me.
Between 80 and 150 back in the day.
Back in the day.
Hobby. I want to ask the whole group.
Going out to brunch, just hanging out, watching reruns of SpongeBob. You know, yeah. I mean, I'm practically.
Why is he
retired.
lying? Why is this guy lying?
I like to bust down.
Bust down.
I like to bust down every day of the week.
She's lying.
Blazing up, trying to get paid.
There you go.
I hike a lot. I play guitar. I smoke.
If this guy, if that guy does anything, if he was a drug dealer, he's selling weed. You know what I'm
I
saying?
just be smoking, hitting the gym. I don't get out the house much.
I said this nigga stays hitting the gym.
Anymore. Go to work. Try to see my kid.
He's definitely an ex-drug dealer, bro.
Elimination.
As a reminder, if both teams eliminate the same person, that person will be removed from the game.
Okay. Do we know right away though? What?
He sounded too happy-go-lucky for me, and it was like, dude, you're hiking. Like I was like, oh yeah, this dude.
You're not a drug
he's
dealer.
gone.
I knew
Who made
that.
you stop dealing drugs?
Boy, I can't.
I got tired of going to jail, bro.
I decided to stop just because I saw how it was affecting people around me.
Alright,
That's
bro.
how I
If this guy is an ex-drug dealer, he's the nicest drug. I've never heard a man say, "I saw how it was affecting people around me." Like what? He ain't no damn ex-drug dealer, man. Like you gotta practice a little better, man. Go watch Narcos or some shit. Those niggas don't give a fuck about nobody. Let's be real.
got locked up. I saw shit happening, and I wanted better for myself.
I mean, the last part.
They make it.
What does it mean to be on deck?
To be ready to rock and roll.
Ready to go, ready to sell.
I mean, that's kind of like
Customer coming up.
customer. I said customer coming up.
Well, for the group, can I see some tattoos?
Oh, that looked like a prison tat. He did say he went to prison.
This is Al Capone and the shoot out the police. This is more personal stuff, you know. I got my whole stomach.
You have any tattoos?
That boy confused. You have a lot of culture on him. That's nothing that I can show.
An elimination.
Yeah.
We
I mean-
eliminated number one because
SpongeBob and his collar. He
can
is not
just-
from the 80s to be dressed like
Yeah, that's right.
This is
I
questions
agree.
for number 5. Have you ever been robbed?
Have I ever been robbed? Yeah, I think we all have. It just comes with the game.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
area do you
he's
guys
too
stay in
scripted.
right now?
Downtown LA.
Downtown?
Orange County.
Orange County?
South Central.
South Central?
Downtown LA.
Downtown?
South Central.
K-Town.
K-Town?
It says everything
Number
that got
one.
number 5 says
Do
is
you
funny to me.
know, any weight conversions?
It's kilos. Kilos of pounds.
Number 3, do you know
What?
any conversion?
Basis, grams, pounds, ounces, QPs, birds.
Boy said QPs.
All right, number 3.
Number 4, did you ever have to flush anything down the toilet?
Nah.
No? Do anybody have any nicknames?
Certain places they call me Medusa.
Medusa?
T-Mac.
T-Mac?
Called Shunk.
Shunk?
Roach.
Shunk. What the fuck is shunk?
Alright, we're ready to eliminate some people.
Roach.
Somebody.
Bro, I'm telling you, man. 6 for sure.
Oh, number 2 was more of a raver than a drug dealer.
Just giving me tattoo
Yeah, she
artists.
just
Like-
beating. Oh, she look like she on something right now.
Statement. Never get
Up.
What?
Shot.
Yo.
Your own supply.
Alright, okay. Have your never get up. What the fuck does that mean?
Never spend your bread on your own supply.
Yeah. Never take it on.
Number 3.
Never spend your bread on your own supply. Like, I get to never get high off your own shit, but is that really the same thing? Number 5 is confusing me. You guys need to eliminate this nigga, bro.
Yeah, being from the block to the badge, you know. Yeah, we look for those kind of walks and that kind of style.
I just think I caught with a face tat.
That's a mean one.
Like I said, that's a mean one.
Okay, OG. Okay.
All day.
It's the plaid shirt for me, man. This nigga.
for the group again. How'd you get in the game?
Oh, my flight instructor was a drug smuggler, and he just
He's
took
who?
me to the side. He's like, "Hey Ray,
Yeah, this nigga watched
you know what,
Narcos,
you
bro.
smell it? I want you to become a drug smuggler. See that airplane out there? Every time you bring it back, you're gonna make 60 to 80,000 per flight." So I did it.
I first
And
moved
you
to
only
Orange
made
County.
300K?
Everyone at my high school was doing Zans, and I was the only kid in Orange County with no money, so I wanted some money, and they said, "This is how you can get it."
Well, y'all know in the hood we don't got much to start with, so just being from gangs in the hood.
Yo, look at
you know,
number
older
5 in the
homies
background,
come up
right?
to you,
Getting
you
his
know,
speech
there's
prepared.
a way to make some money.
My uncle had me deliver and told me what it was. Take this money.
I lost my college wrestling scholarship, moved back home, found out my girl was a coke dealer. What did I do? I took the same route he did. I wanted to do it better.
Yo, number
We'd
5,
like to
get
do
the
another
fuck out of
round.
here, bro.
His answers
Really?
were
Nah.
so like they were so on point that they sounded fake.
Also, when we asked him what was white, he said
The man?
I was like,
The man. Oh, he meant like the man.
Number
Like
6,
the man, power to the
you know
people
what
type of the
a
man.
dub is.
Dub?
Like somebody be like, oh, let me get a dub.
I don't.
Mm.
Let's see. Number 5. Name a class A, B, or C drug.
Well, I can tell you right now, testosterone and steroids are under the same category as marijuana and stuff like that. If you get caught selling steroids, you got 3 to 5 year sentence.
So
Great information.
No, just in case y'all ever need to know.
I don't think
I'm
so.
thinking this,
I
but
don't
if
think
you
so.
say no, bro,
I,
then that's
I
what
know
it
for
is.
sure it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
now I'm kind of like number 4 could be it too,
Wait,
man.
Higher group, do you know the difference between indica, sativa, and hybrid?
Hell yeah.
Number 1.
Yes,
You don't?
No.
Number 2.
Indica is more like a downer, kind of chill. Sativa is more like happy, let's get going. And hybrid is kind of a good mix of both. It depends on what it's mixed with, if it's a hybrid dominant or sativa dominant.
You got a little bit of gelato 33, you got some Kush, you got something to switch you to bed, you know. Sativa, just the opposite, you
That's
got
what
some
I want to
lemonade.
hear.
Yeah, this nigga trying too hard, in my opinion.
Number 3. Have you ever dealt with someone that had like clear addictions?
Meaning that was obvious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you still sell to them.
Yeah. Okay, it was a cutthroat
mean-
business, man. And couldn't care about none of that.
That's what
Number 3. What do you do in the morning?
drug dealers do.
Wake
He-
and bake. Search for some acting jobs.
Number 5. What do you do in the morning?
I'm up at 6 a.m. with my morning blunt, going to see my trainer.
Going to see my trainer.
Um,
I said, this guy is so weird, bro.
Officially.
Number 5 is
We're
weird.
ready to lock in. Well,
Together.
oh, okay.
Officially,
Oh, sorry.
Officially, we're ready to lock in.
Are you okay right now?
Oh, yeah.
Well, we
I'm,
just got.
Yeah,
yeah, I needed something to mellow me out.
You guys are funny. So
So the stoners have officially locked in their real deal.
they thought the opposite
which
of what I
means
thought.
The game is over.
Interesting.
All right. We think the real deal is number 2.
Deuce.
Oh, it's one person.
They know too much about drugs.
Either a user or a seller.
We think the real deal is number 3. Just feel like he was on point with everything he was doing.
6,
We're either
3,
getting
and 2, I said.
bamboozled or he's really, doing what he
6, 3, and
says
2,
he
I said.
does.
So both picked one of mine.
If the lights on your podium turn green, that means you have chosen the real deal. If they turn red, that means that you have chosen an imposter.
Okay.
Law enforcement, your guess was
Come
former drug
on.
dealer number 2. In 3, 2, 1.
All right.
What?
Mother lover.
Damn.
Get some more training, bro.
It was the stripper.
Oh my God.
I'm pissed.
This man said
a little mad.
the girl started breakdancing. The next man turned around and said, "Yo, you got to do some more training." That's true, bro. Like, you guys, and they use profiling, right? And this is what you come up with. Like, because somebody uses something, they can know these little things too. And there's a TV, bro. People watch this shit, man. Like, it's not that hard to know the shit she knows. So I was just like, what the fuck?
A little disappointed because
I
I
mean,
second
yeah.
guessed myself.
Big
For
disappointment.
our stoner team, you have chosen former drug dealer number 3.
Let's see. Actor.
Inspiring actor.
3, 2,
If it's not these two, it's 6.
1.
Yeah, like.
I'm sorry that we ran out.
Yo, you guys are at it opposite ways.
Hello, everybody. I'm Tyrone, and I am the real.
Have you guys ever seen like that meme when they're like, "Oh, when black people laugh or whatever," and they all split up in different directions? That was exactly that just now.